All right, my uncle dropped this battery terminal off for last night and asked me if I could solder it on to some wire he's got up on his camper or something, camper battery or something like that. So I figured take a little short of this, put it in a vise and put a little bit of flux in there already, and then I'm just gonna take a whole bunch of solder and fill it up. And hopefully you can see down in there now. It's you can see now it's like halfway down there. So let's go up to my uncle's and put this back on. Just to avoid the possibility of starting any of this stuff on fire, I'm gonna just pull this wire off completely so I can get good access to it. Dip a little bit of this flux on there. Oops, try not to burn the wire like I just did. Any day now. Oh, burning the wire. Wow, I melted a lot of that wire. But it's soldered, so just burnt. So let our heat shrink. Not burn at all, like I just did a second ago. All right, there's that. So go get this thing put back on and be done with it. Tighten that thing back up and then we'll be done. All right, well, I got that thing put back on there successfully and nice and tight.
Ah, tight, yeah!
So if you watch this whole thing, thank you kindly, and maybe